Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today we're going to be making a fun Valentine's Day wreath using the Dollar Tree heart frame. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. For this wreath, you're going to need 2 rolls of the 10-inch mesh. I used the red fabric mesh from Craft Outlet to make this wreath, and I picked up the heart frame at Dollar Tree. You're going to need some pipe cleaners or some zip ties. I used a combination of both, your scissors, and I think that's it to get started. First, you're going to want to take your mesh and you're going to cut it into squares. So I should have cut my mesh at 10 inches and not 12. Next, you're going to take it and take one corner and fold it to the other corner, making a triangle. Then walk your fingers up the longer side and make a petal shape. Then you're going to take a zip tie or a pipe cleaner and wrap it nice and tight around the bottom. If you use a zip tie, you're still going to need a pipe cleaner to attach your petal to the wreath. So here I'm just making more petals, so I'm making the triangle shape, then walking my fingers up the left side or the longer side of the triangle, making a petal shape, and then I'm going to take a pipe cleaner or a zip tie and wrap it nice and tight around the bottom of the mesh. I do not make this style wreath very often, but I just had this idea that it would turn out to be a really pretty wreath making petals, so you'll have to let me know in the comments section if you like the way it turned out or not. Once you have your petal made, you're going to take the pipe cleaner, go to the middle wire on the heart frame, twist the pipe cleaner around it and fold it down. Same steps. If you used a zip tie, you're going to still have to use a pipe cleaner. So wrap that pipe cleaner around your petal, give it a twist, then go to your heart frame and attach the pipe cleaner to the middle wire. Now I made a total of 28 petals for this heart-shaped wreath. The petals do not have to be perfect. As you can see, this does fray a little bit because I'm using a rotary cutter and scissors to cut my squares. at the top of the heart where it kind of dips down in the center on that bottom wire, I did 2 petals, and then on the very bottom of the heart at the point, I did 3 petals. So I hope that helps. I did a total of 28 petals total for this wreath. Next, I picked up some heart felt placemats at TJ Maxx. There was a set of 4 for $9.99, but you don't have to go to TJ Maxx. Dollar Tree has the felt hearts for $1, and also Dollar General also has the large felt hearts for $1. And then my friend Sandra sent me this adorable sign for $1, so thank you so much, Sandra. You are so sweet, and I really appreciate it. To attach the heart placemat and the sign, you're going to need some floral wire, and this is just 20 gauge floral wire. So I'm placing the heart placemat, or the felt heart, right in the center of the wreath, and that kind of covers up the pipe cleaners and the zip ties. So I am just going to wire it onto the center. Once I have it wired, then I'm going to add this adorable sign that says love. If you do not want to use wire, then you could probably use fishing line to attach your placemat and your heart sign to this wreath. It's just easier for me to take the wire, thread it through the placemat, thread it through the deco mesh, then go to the back and give the wires a few twists and cut them off short. Same way with the sign, it has 2 holes at the top, so I just wired it on the left side and the right side, and then I went around it and added just a little bit of hot glue, that way it wouldn't move. I think it looks really pretty without doing anything else, but if you have been watching my channel for very long, y'all know that I love to add big bows to my wreaths. This ribbon came from Craft Outlet, so let out a tail, make a loop, keep it pinched tightly in your left hand, make another loop on the other side, same size as your first loop, keep it pinched tightly in your hand, go to the first side, make another loop, check to make sure it's about the same size, go to the other side, make another loop, check to make sure it's the same size, then you're going to let out a tail, and you'll want to have some floral wire close by to wrap it nice and tight around the center of your bow, and then you're going to want to dovetail the ends. You will want to use ribbon with wire, because that way the loops will stand up and your bow just holds its shape better, and it's easier to work with too. And this is 2.5-inch width ribbon with wire. Now Dollar Tree and Dollar General also has some pretty Valentine's Day ribbon out right now. So leave your wires long, and you're going to take the wires on your bow and you're going to thread them through your placemat, thread them through the mesh, then go to the back of your wreath, twist those wires, cut them off, and fold them down. Now you have a beautiful and unique Valentine's Day wreath. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this wreath. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and share this video. And also, if you make one of these wreaths, I would love to see it. I'm also on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Keeping It Simple Crafts.